Samsung dishwasher. Complaint was drain issue. Discovered that the control board is under a 5-year warranty. So when you're having an issue with a control board or electronic issue, it is very wise to check your manual or to search online if you don't have your owner's manual for how long your warranty on components would be. Generally, you only get a 1 year traditionally, but because of electronic age and era, the issues that we're having with electronic failure, being that this is just less than 2 years old and it has already begun showing evidence of a design flaw. This would be considered now a in-warranty repair, extended warranty on components. And maybe you'll just be responsible for paying labor only, or paying for the part and the labor may be under warranty. But that is something that would have to be discussed with the authorized provider, in which would be given to you once you contact the purchase location that you purchased the unit from. Once you contact the person the store that you purchased it from, then you can make the appropriate steps. One-way water check flow flap checks good. To prevent water from seeping back into the dishwasher. Mandatory that when taking the pump and replacing the pump, mandatory to check this flap when replacing the drain pump. One-way check valve to make sure the water does not flow back into the dishwasher. Sometimes that can get stuck, closed, and it will not allow the water to flow out. To install the new drain pump to reassure a watertight fit, you want to apply RTV sealant onto the seal gasket, which will reassure a watertight fit for any unforeseen water damage. Clear RTV sealant is what's recommended. Before installing your new pump. The number one concern in doing dishwasher repairs are unforeseen water breach, which can cause thousands of dollars of homeowners' liability claims due to the water system becoming unsecure. And it's unfortunate because the water breach is caused underneath the dishwasher, which is an unforeseen area. And by the time you realize that there's a water breach, there's a possibility of having well over $10,000 of homeowner insurance claim damage. And so those are always the liabilities. Dishwashers are really considered a high risk appliance repair when dealing with the water system because of a unforeseen water damage of having to deal with an appliance that is in a cavity installation. Samsung dishwasher complained that the drain was not adequate when it was time for end of cycle to drain. And what was going on is that the control board was not sending power in the duration of time in which all of the water could be pumped out. The drain pump has been verified as being good, and also any objects in the drain line has also been verified, which there is nothing in the drain line to prevent water flow. Unfortunately, this dishwasher is only a year out of warranty. It's about maybe 3 months out of its warranty. This dishwasher appears to be an engineering manufacturer's design flaw, being that the control board is not keeping power to ground long enough for water to be removed out of the dishwasher. For that reason, this would not be considered a repair. It would be considered a replacement on a manufacturer's level, as far as contacting an in-warranty provider or taking steps to the retail purchaser in which you purchased the dishwasher from and seeing if they're willing to extend a extended warranty. Usually after 1 year, all repairs are responsible due to the out of warranty status, and then repairs are responsible of the homeowner. But after a year and an appliance fail, that would fall close to a category of a design flaw, in which maybe you might be able to have either the labor reimbursed or covered, and the part would be under warranty, or the labor would be under warranty and perhaps paying for the part. But appliances are failing less than 1 year of warranty now due to electronic controls. These controls are no longer made out of alloy, which would be metal in the circuit. Now these controls are made out of semiconductors, which would be the control board, in which the semiconductor circuitry malfunctions due to heat or wear and tear of contact, or maybe even water getting onto the control board due to the location of where the control board is located, which is at the base bottom of the dishwasher. So at this time, this would not be considered a dishwasher of repair. This would be a dishwasher considered for a manufacturer's defect.